So getting to that 1,000, I know a lot of us, we're creating content, and when you first get onto this app, you're like, I need 1,000 followers so that I can go live, because you think once you go live, it'll be something magical that happens. Let me just tell you, that fades, and it fades quick. I wanted to address this because I feel like I see so many different creators that are on this app that are like, please follow me. Oh my gosh, I want to get to 1,000. Oh my goodness. And I cannot lie to you. I cannot sit here and tell a lie and say that I wasn't frustrated when I first started and wanted that 1,000, because I felt like once I got that 1,000 to go live, it was just going to be a game changer. Now, going lives can be a game changer, but I will tell you that you will get there eventually. Here are a couple of different things that I had to do. Hopefully this helps. First of all, I switched my account from a creator to a business account. This is something I don't hear a lot of people talk about. I hear a lot about the trending sounds and things to that effect, but my goal was not to grow as big as possible. My goal has always been on this app to connect with people who may need my products or my services, and to build a community around folks who may even think like me or think differently than me, but have the same thought process or objectives. I get onto this app because I know once I get on and I ask a question, or I ask for feedback, or I put on content, I'll get real-time relatable answers, as well as people will actually respond here, versus on other apps. We won't name names. So knowing that, I get on and I create from a place in a space of wanting to help and support if I can, or share something. And that's pretty much what this channel is kind of turning into. It's turning into me just sharing stuff. I'm like, oh, I saw this. Y'all, did y'all know about this? Because I feel like there's so much information out there and so many things out there that just aren't well known, and I come across them pretty early in the game. So with that all being said, do you need 1,000? No. Will you get to 1,000? Absolutely. Right? I believe that this particular, and this isn't to this creator, it's just because, like I said, I've been seeing it a lot lately, popping up on my feed, that people are like, oh my gosh, please follow me so I can get to 1,000. And I want to just tell you that once you get there, it ain't all that. And once you start doing those lives, you're going to see just how glitchy it is. I'm just saying. I just have to throw that out there. I'm just saying. So with that being said, just show up. Create the content that you're going to create anyway, right? And utilize it in different ways. This particular creator talked about how they have 30,000 followers on Clubhouse. That is amazing. Amazing. That means you got great content, right? So the platform just ain't recognized it yet. And that's all good, but you will get there. I guarantee you 100%. But just create from a place of creativity, and don't stress yourself out about this stuff. Like, for real, don't stress yourself out. Don't stress yourself out. I don't even know how to end that.